Yes, listen beta. In the last class we have find out the HCF of 726 and 275 by the long division method, and these are the steps of division that are Euclid division algorithm. I have written all the steps. What we want to actually do in this question is you have to write the HCF of the two numbers, these two given number in the question in the form of linear combination. Linear combination is given in the question, but maybe sometime it's not. This is question number 11. Now, actually what we will start from, we will start from the HCF. HCF of these two numbers is 11. So we will start from this 11. Actually this, all the reminders you will use. जितने भी रिमाइंडर आ रहे हैं ना आप सबको यूज करोगे. You will find out their value first. So firstly we will start from 11. 11 will be, बच्चे मैं सारा कुछ स्टार्टिंग से बता रही हूँ, प्लीज सुन लो, बाहर में दोबारा नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि काफी ज्यादा स्टेप है. 11 can be written as 77 minus 22 into 3. सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेंगे, बट यही वाला दोबारा पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. ये लिख लिया आपने, फर्स्ट स्टेप ये डन. अब 22 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 99 माइनस 77 इंटू 1. ये सेम 22 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 99. बच्चे try to write this 3 before and put the value of 22 here. 22 is 99 minus 77 into 1. Is this clear? हमने क्या किया पहले 11 की वैल्यू नहीं की, अब यहाँ पे 22 की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दी. 22 की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दी. Now open the bracket by distributive property. This will be multiplied. No need to multiply. You will just simply write. Minus minus is plus. 3 ones are 3. So 77 into 3. Now this 77 is single. So can we write it like this? 1 multiplied by 77. So take 77 common from these two. This will gives you 1 plus 3. And this 99 into 3 is same. Any doubt? If you have any doubt till this step, you can ask. Now solve this. This is 77 into 4 minus 99 into 3. अब किसकी टर्न है? ये भी हो गया. अब टर्न है 77 की. 77, the value of 77 you will write here. So before writing 77, try to write this 4 before, because in case of distributive property, you will always have A multiplied by B plus C. So A, that is single term, that is always written at the first place. So try to write this 4 at the first place. Value of this 77 is 176 minus 99 into 1. 176 minus 99 into 1. The value of 77 I have written here. Value of 77. This term will be same. Now open the bracket. Open the bracket by using distributive property. 176 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 99 into 4. This is 99 into 3. Now you will again you are having 3 terms. जहां 3 हो जाएंगी वहां combine करके 2 बनानी. फिर value put करनी. 3 हो गई, combine करके make less 2 terms, then put value. Got it? Every time whenever you are getting 3 terms, you have to combine 2 of them. Then whenever 2 will be reduced, 2 terms you will be getting, then you will put the value. Otherwise, जैसे से पुट करते जाओगे क्वेश्चन बड़ा होता जाएगा, तो कैसे कंबाइन करोगे? इसलिए जैसी वैल्यू पुट करनी है आपने, as you put the value, you will simplify it, you will reduce it to 2 terms, then you will put the value. Now, what is common in these two? What is common in these two? Minus is common. Minus is common. 99 is common. You are left with 4 plus 3, that is 7. 176 into 4, 99 into 7. Is it clear? 3 terms थी, we have reduced it to 2. अब क्या करेंगे? ये भी हो गया. अब किसकी टर्न है? अब किसकी टर्न है बेटा? 99 की. Put the value of 99 here. Now I am writing the next step. Now next step is once ये हम सारा क्या कर रहे हैं? This is all equal to 11. 176 into 4 and the value of 99 we are going to put here. So write 7 first, and value of 99 is 275 minus 176 into 1. Any doubt? Any doubt? Is it clear, beta? Now, this will be same. Multiply this 275 into 7 minus plus 176 into 7. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, again in these two steps, I am having 176. Take 176 common by using the same distributive property so that you can get two terms. So take 176 common. This is 4 plus 7, 275 into 7. This is 176 into 11 minus 275 into 7. Got it? Got it, beta? Is it okay? Now, this 99 we have done. What is pending? Now you will put the value of 176. You will put this value of 176 here. Now you will write 11 first, then value of 176 is 726 minus 275 into 2. And this last term will be same. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Should I repeat? Is it okay? Now, multiply this 726 into 11. Now, this 275 will be same. 11 2s are 22. And this term will be same. Now you will combine these two terms because both the terms having 275 common. So this term 726 into 11 is same. Take minus 2. बच्चे जिसमें negative होगा ना वहाँ common ले लेना है. That will make your question easy. Take common. You are left with 22 plus 7. Got it? Minus you have taken out. So 22 is positive, 7 is positive. Both are positive. So 726 into 11 minus 275 into 29. 11 is equal to this term. Bache, we have finished our question. Now what we actually are doing, we are writing, yes, listen to me carefully. We are writing the HCF as a combination of 726 and 275. यही कर रहे थे ना हम क्वेश्चन में कि HCF को ये जो 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन में गिवन थे इसके कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना था. ये लिख लिया. देखो ये जनरल फॉर्म है. देखो इधर ये C है, ये AX है, ये BY है. ठीक है कि नहीं? देखो इधर C क्या है? कांस्टेंट 11. यहाँ पे A क्या है? आपका क्वेश्चन 726 into 11 plus 275 into minus 29. तो ये आपका क्या बन गया? HCF can be written as the combination of these two terms. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास क्वेश्चन में जो है ना बेटा ये 11 into 726m plus 275n गिवन है. हो सकता है यहाँ पे वेरिएबल कोई और गिवन हो, आप चेक कर लेना. m की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 11. n की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? -29. So we have written HCF as a linear combination of these two terms. So value of m here is 11 and value of n is -29. Is it clear, beta? Any doubt? You have to find the HCF of 252 and 595, and you have to write the HCF of these two numbers as a linear combination of these two. So firstly, you will divide them. 252 divide 595. Yes, what will be the answer? Will it be divisible by 2 or 1? 2. 4. 504. Subtract this. This will give you 1 and 9. 252, 2s are 182. If we take 3 now, it will be greater than this 252. Now subtract this, what you will get? 0 and 7. 91, 70, ones are 70. You will get 21. 3s are 63. 7. 21 is divisible. 7 3s are 21. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps आ रहे हैं. Means आपने 4 की वैल्यू पुट करनी है. In the previous question you are having 6 step, तो आपने 5 नंबर्स की वैल्यू पुट की थी. सेम वे में यहाँ 5 स्टेप्स हैं तो आप 4 नंबर्स की वैल्यू पुट करोगे, क्योंकि लास्ट में तो 0 आ गया ना. तो now the next step is to write the Euclid division algorithm, and the HCF of these numbers is 7. 595 can be written as 252 into 2 plus 91. 252 can be written as 91 into 2 plus 70. 91 can be written as 70 into 1 plus 21. 70 is 21 into 3 plus 7. 21 is 7 into 3 plus 0. And the HCF of these number is 7. So you will write the 7 as a linear combination of these two numbers. So let's start. What you will do first? Yes, who will tell me the first step? Rahul. Rahul, on your video, beta. Aditi, Garima. Yes, anyone? Now start from 7. Start from this remainder 7, then 21, then you will take 70, then next is 91. Got it? So let's start with 7. The value of 7 HCF can be written as 70 minus 21 into 3. Is it okay? Is this clear? So 7 की turn हो गई. Next turn is of 21. 21. 9, 3. Try to write 3 before. This will be 91 minus 70 into 1. Any doubt? Any doubt? What we have done in this step, we have just written the value of 21, which is our next remainder. 70 is same. This is 91 into 3. Minus minus is plus 70 into 3. Now, we have two terms containing 70. This is your 70 into 1. This is your 70 into 3. When you combine them, it will become 70 into 4. I have just skipped one step. Need not to write that take common step. Is it okay? Anyone having any doubt in this step, beta? Now the next turn is of 70. So put the value of 70 here. Before putting the value, write this 4 first. Value of 70 is 252 minus 91 into 2. Done? Clear? And this last term, 91 into 3 will be written same. थोड़ा टाइट हो गया कि मैं दोबारा लिख देती हूँ. 4 is same. 70, value of 70 is 252 minus 91 into 2. This 91 into 3 is same. Clear? Now multiply them. This is 252 into 4. This 91 is same. 4 2s are 8. Clear? Nana, is it clear, beta? Now both the terms contain 3. What you will do? Sorry, both the terms contain 91. Combine them. जब 3 terms होगी combine कर लो. 252 into 4. Take 91 common with minus sign. We are left with 8 plus 3. Clear? I have taken minus 91 common. 252 into 4. 91 into 11. Next term is of 91. Put the value of 91 here. This step 252 into 11 will be into 4 will be written same. 11 you will write at the first place. Value of 91 is 595. Is this clear? $595, 252 into 2. 252 into 4. When you multiply them, this will be 595 into 11. Minus minus is plus. 252 into 22. Now, the first and the last term contain 252. Take 252 common. 4 plus 22 is 26. Minus 595 into 11. Now, write them as a linear combination. It will become 252m. बच्चे क्वेश्चन में कौन सी टर्म पहले लिखी थी? 252 या सॉरी 595 पहले था क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन में 595 पहले था ना, तो ये पहले आएगा. ठीक है, ऑर्डर चेंज कर देना. बच्चे आई एम राइटिंग नेक्स्ट स्टेप हियर. आई एम रबिंग दिस. 7 is equal to 595 into minus 11 plus 252 into 26. Clear है ये? Is it okay? This 595 actually written in the question first place, so I have written it at the first and this at the second place. So this 7 is equal to 595m plus 252n. So m is equal to minus 11, n is equal to 26. Got it? Question number 14 is, a class of 20 boys and 15 girls is divided into n groups, and each group has x boys and y girls. Find x, y and n. Boys कितनी है क्लास में? 20. Girls are 15. Total कितने हो गए? Total students कितने हो गए? 35. Is it clear? Clear है? ये जो 35 students है ना, इनको ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है. Now, firstly, you will find that how many students are there in each group. ठीक है? So you have to divide these 35 students in different groups, and you have to find the number of students in each group that will be given by the HCF of these two. Number of students in each group, highest common factor, मतलब कि पूरे 35 स्टूडेंट्स को कितने ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया जाए. यू विल फाइंड नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन ईच ग्रुप इज गिवन बाय HCF ऑफ 20 and 15. एक्चुअली क्या करना है, अपने बॉयज और गर्ल्स को इस तरह से डिवाइड करना है कि ईच ग्रुप में x बॉयज आ जाएं और y गर्ल्स आ जाएं. गॉट इट? Now we are not knowing what is x, what is y here. So we will divide them in such a way that number of students in each group are equal, and that is equal to HCF of these two. So find the HCF of these two numbers. 15 ones are 15. That will give you 5. 5 divide 15. So the HCF is 5. Means n is equal to 5. नो नो नो, लिसन, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन ईच ग्रुप नहीं आएगा, यहाँ आएगा नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स। क्या आएगा? नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स, दैट इज n। अभी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट फाइंड करने हैं, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट फाइंड करने हैं। वी हैव रिटन नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स, 35 स्टूडेंट्स है ना, 35 स्टूडेंट के 5 ग्रुप बन जाएंगे। अब 5 ग्रुप में कितने कितने स्टूडेंट आएंगे, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड। अब देखो इधर, ये बॉयज हैं, टोटल बॉयज कितने हैं? 20। नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप कितने बनाने हैं? 5। अगर आप 20 को 5 से डिवाइड कर दो तो 4 आ गया। इसका मतलब हर 1 ग्रुप में, 5 ग्रुप में से हर एक ग्रुप में 4 बॉयज आएंगे। ठीक है, ये क्लियर है? टोटल 20 बॉयज थे, 5 ग्रुप बनाने हैं, 5 से डिवाइड कर दिया, ईच ग्रुप कंटेन 4 बॉयज। नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इन ईच ग्रुप 4। क्लियर? नाउ फाइंड गर्ल्स। गर्ल्स कितनी है? 15। सो 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज 3। नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन ईच ग्रुप इज 3। 5 ग्रुप्स हैं, हर ग्रुप में कितने कितने स्टूडेंट हो गए? 7 हो गए। 7 5 से 35 बनेगा। टोटल 35 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 35 में से हर ग्रुप में 5 ग्रुप बन रहे हैं। 7 5 से 35 हो गया, मींस ईच ग्रुप कंटेन 7 स्टूडेंट्स दैट कंटेन 4 बॉयज एंड 3 गर्ल्स। क्लियर? सो x is 4, y is 3 and n is 5 here. Next question is question number 15. Find the HCF of smallest prime. Yes, which one is the smallest prime number? Which is the smallest prime number? That is 2. Smallest composite number? Yes, composite numbers are the number which has more than 2 factors. That is 4. Find the HCF. HCF of 2 and 4 is 2. Highest common factor 2. पर LCM क्या होगा इसका? LCM is 4. Clear? Arsheen, take screenshot beta. With this beta we have completed our assignment. 15 questions we have